So class, to this day, I'll let you try a Filipino snack. It's what we call corned beets, alright? So I will let you try it and let's see your reaction. Alright? You'll try.
Mr. David, may gawin nila.
How does it taste?
It tastes really good.
So this is corn, okay? Oh, you try it. You try it. How does it taste? How does it taste? Say it. Huh? Do you know it's corn? Huh? What you say?
It tastes good. Give me some more.
More?
One more.
I get none.
Wait. I'll give you. Yeah.
Yes.
It's crunchy, right? It's crunchy.
Nice and good.
You're drooling about it.
Come, give me more. Give me more. Give me more.
Oh,
Give me more.
garlic is?
Give me some more.
You want to try?
Give it.
No. Okay, I respect that.
One more.
That's the D. I can't eat because of my digestion. If I eat that, I get attached to my throat. So.
Yeah, I got you. All right.